Guys, so we just made it to Discovery Cove. The line was super long getting in, but we were able to get through register and everything within an hour. So I mean, it's not that bad. We literally got here at 8:01 a.m. literally when the park opens, but there's still a line. So definitely get here maybe like 30 minutes before, so you're at the front of the line. But here we are.
And this is the lazy river right here.
Oh, wow. Is it not? Oh, it's not. You little bird.
What are you?
I don't got no food yet. You hungry? Are they mating?
I don't know.
So fast. You're welcome.
The three of them?
What is going on? They hungry. Like, girl, you running low.
They are all three of them out.
What?
They cleared us out.
Yeah.
They cleared us out.
Guys, so we just finished feeding the birds. That was so exciting. They weren't really trying to eat at first initially, but then as we were about to leave, I was just like, let me just try to feed this little white pigeon looking bird. And then two more came up, and then we were just feeding them until our food ran out. So that's pretty fun. And now we're about to eat breakfast. Got some orange juice. Hey guys, so we just finished grabbing breakfast. Breakfast was okay, no, nothing special. But the French toast sticks, I actually really enjoyed those. And now we're at our day bed. We had gotten two $50 gift cards included with our reservation. So we just apply that towards the day bed, which I think is worth it. But soon we're gonna get up and put on our wetsuits and go down the lazy river. They say it gets 8 feet deep and we can't swim, but it's supposed to keep you afloat. So we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, I just put on my wetsuit. I put it on backwards at first, but it's good now. So yeah, it feels so official. And I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. I won't be able to take my camera with me, but I'll loop y'all in afterwards. So, BRB. The otters lounging on its back.
Back it up first.